Thought I'd go over some of the accessories that Mike gave me along with this 935 mil. Got a couple of boxes of parallel sets. I just made that rack there, but I got all these drill chucks. And they're going to go in the cabinet over there. Got another 8-inch vise, a 6-inch vise. Plenty of spindle oil, a gallon of spindle and whey oil. Another set of parallels. This right here I've already used to set it up. A gauge set for tramming. A boring head set. Another vise. Some setup pieces. Box. Here's a whole V mag block set that's not even been out of the box. Still in the wrap. Let's see if I can get that out. This big bruiser's never even been used. Look at that. It's a monster, and several more right there. All kinds of stuff. There's the boring head. But yeah, I was really happy to get all this extra stuff. Light there. So that's a big bruiser of a vise right there. I'm gonna tell you, I can barely lift it. It's got to go 90 or 100 pounds. But yeah, that's all the extras I got along with the mill. Very happy about that. Thank you, Mike. Bye now.